to get to Sesame Street.
Hey, very good. Oh, hi, how are you? Hey, Vanessa and I were sitting here and, because she wanted me to show her a chord on her guitar, you know? Here, I'll show you, Vanessa. This is a nice, easy chord that you can learn. Now, you put your finger on the first string right there, yeah? And then you just strike the strings. Ready? Like that. Hey, very good, yeah. No, it's okay. Now, try it again, try it again. Very good.
I can't do it.
Keep trying. You gotta keep trying, right? You know, when I first started playing the guitar, I found it very difficult too, you know. But I just sat for hours and hours. I just sat doing this like this, you know. And I practiced and I practiced. You know, you can do the same thing with anything, you know. If you want to do it, you gotta practice. You gotta keep trying all the time. Yeah. Do it again. Very good. It's coming along. It's coming along. Hey, I'll have you playing the guitar before long. Oh, you ready for another chord?
Okay.
Okay. How's that?
With all my fingers on like that?
Yeah, it's like a little triangle. This finger here, and this then here, and this one here. Terrific!
Oh.
Try it again. Keep trying.
I'll never do it.
Da, 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 da. Keep trying, keep trying, keep trying, keep trying. Da, 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 da.
I don't believe this! You knocked on my trash can!
Yeah, I knocked on your trash can because I wanted to ask you, what's this button for out here?
Well, what do you think it is? It's my new doorbell button.
Oh.
I put it in so people would stop knocking on the lid and give me a headache.
Oh, I
But
see.
no, you had to knock anyway.
Yeah, well, I didn't know it was a doorbell. Gee, that's a good idea. Yeah, okay, I won't knock on the can anymore. I'll just ring your doorbell.
Great, and tell everybody else to use my doorbell. Don't knock.
Okay, I'll tell you. Hey, Louise.
Oh,
look,
hi, Susan.
Look, Oscar's got a doorbell.
A doorbell?
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta try this.
He said no more knocking on the can. Ring the bell.
Good, here we go.
Hey, Oscar, I didn't know
Ring.
you had a good doorbell like that.
That's a beautiful doorbell you got there, Oscar. I really like it.
Yeah, well, what do you want?
Oh, nothing. I just wanted to say hi.
It's really lovely, Oscar. I do like it.
Well, I'm not very crazy about it, Susan.
Oh, you know?
But it is better than having somebody bang on the lid 3 inches from my head. I mean, I like loud noises and stuff like that. But I can get a headache, too.
Yeah.
Look, don't ring my bell unless it's important, okay?
Yeah, okay.
Sure.
Bye.
See you later. Hey, Gordon, come over here, man.
What's up?
Hey, you gotta listen to Oscar's doorbell. You
Why?
gotta listen to it. Ring it. You'll find out it's beautiful.
Come on, you're putting me on. What's up? All right.
Yes?
Oscar, that's a beautiful doorbell. That's really beautiful.
Well, I don't like it. I don't like to hear it. And I don't like people visiting me. I don't like people visiting me at all.
You know?
What else do you want?
Well, actually, that's all I wanted, Oscar. See ya.
I don't believe people.
Hey, you know what? Louise told me that Oscar's got a great new doorbell. I can't... I've got to hear it. Listen to that! It sounds like... Hey, that's
One more time, there's gonna be trouble.
That's a great new sounding doorbell, Oscar. I love it.
I know, I hate it.
It's nice.
Go away.
Okay, but it's nice. I like it, Oscar, a lot. Hey, Kate, come here. Oscar's got a new doorbell. If you want to hear it, try it. It's really something else.
Hey, don't you dare. You rung it. Oh, I'm so sick of that ding-dong.
Well, we heard that you had a beautiful bell, and so we had to come and hear it. I hope you don't mind.
Well, this doorbell is worse than people knocking on my can.
Well, it sounds
Everybody wants to
very
hear
nice,
this
doesn't it?
doorbell.
We like it very much.
Well, it's the last time anybody's gonna hear it, because I'm gonna take it out and put in a better doorbell. There we go, yeah. Yeah. There, I did it. I put in a new doorbell. Yeah, this is gonna solve my problems, because it's got a much better sound. Hey, everybody! Everybody come here!
What's up, Oscar?
Now what
Wanna
is
show you
what's
something.
going on? What's happening, man?
Look, this new doorbell sounds so great that you can ring it anytime you want.
Oh, yeah, can I
good.
bring it?
It's a
Yeah,
I
go
like
right
the old
ahead.
one,
Go ahead,
actually.
the other one was done.
Give us a
Huh?
thing.
Huh? Isn't that the most beautiful doorbell you ever heard?
It's terrible, Oscar.
If that's the way the doorbell sounds, nobody's ever going to ring that thing again.
Stand to
Oscar,
listen
nobody's
to it.
ever gonna come and visit you if you ring that thing now.
Yeah, you finally figured it out. Now maybe I'll get a little peace and quiet. You see, anytime you want me, you gotta ring my little doorbell. Here,
well,
let's do
thanks.
it again.
Hey, no, wait a minute, hold
Yeah, I
on.
don't want to hear that.
Hello,
Who can stand on his head?
I can.
I can stand on my nose.
Sibel can stand. Oh, Big Bird. Well, no, we want someone to stand on her head.
Okay.
And Sibel says she can. But that ground is pretty hard. You better not try and stand on it.
Oh, well, I have a pillow.
Oh,
Let me
look, Big Bird
wait,
has
wait,
it
let me look
all.
at my nest
Please.
here somewhere. Oh, here it is underneath the bird seed. Here you go. Here's a pillow. Stand your head on the pillow. And
Yeah.
the hard pavement won't hurt your head.
When I stand with my upside down, the whole world is upside down. I live in lopside, flopside town. When I am upside down, the world is fine, right side up. The world is like a buttercup, but I like mine upside down. Cup side over in the clover, everything's upside down. Okay, you better come down now. Good for you.
Wow, that was
very
fun.
nice. Yeah.
Whoops.
Hey, you wanna hear a story?
Okay.
Okay. Now, this is a very interesting story. This is a story of how the white dove became the symbol of peace.
Yeah?
You know the white dove? Yeah. Well, this is...
Ah, greetings.
Hi, Sam.
Hi, Sam.
Did I hear you say that you were going to tell a story?
Yeah, well, as a matter of fact, we are.
I can tell stories.
Oh, what do you think? You think Sam should tell the story?
Yeah.
Okay, Sam, you tell us a story. We'll listen to you.
Very well. The story of Little Red Riding Hood. Once upon a time, a sweet little girl named Red Riding Hood was walking through a deep, dark forest. And where do you think she was going?
Grandma.
Right.
No, she was taking her cow to market. She was going to sell her cow for a bag of magic beans.
Sam, I think you
Yeah.
got the stories a little confused.
Jack and the Beanstalk.
Yeah, that's, right. Tell him. Will you tell him? It's Jack and the Beanstalk.
Oh, you are mistaken. Everyone knows there's nobody named Jack in the story of Little Red Riding Hood.
Okay, Sam.
To continue,
All right.
Little Red Riding Hood was taking her cow to market. And as they walked along, suddenly they came to a house made entirely of gingerbread.
Oh, Sam. No, wait a minute, Sam.
Gretel.
Tell him. Will you tell him? Hey, wait a minute.
Hansel and Gretel.
Right. That's Hansel and Gretel, Sam.
Right, you see, Little Red Riding Hood's real name was Gretel, and the cow was named Hansel.
Okay, Sam. all right.
Anyway, Little Red Riding Gretel decided to go inside, and you will never guess what she found there.
What did she find, Sam?
She found 3 bowls of porridge.
Oh,
That's
no, wait a
the
minute.
Three Little Bears.
Right, Mauricio,
Now
tell
the
him, will
great
you?
big daddy-sized bowl of the porridge was too hot, and the mommy-sized bowl was too cold. But the itty-bitty baby-sized bowl of porridge was just right. Little Red Riding Hood was just about to eat it all up when she heard a noise outside.
Hey, Sam,
Do you know what the noise was?
what's the noise, Sam?
Rumpelstiltskin.
Rumpelstiltskin.
Ah, you've heard the story before. He was looking for a girl whose foot would fit that slipper. And when he tried it on, Little Red Riding Hood, lo and behold, it fit.
Sam, I think
And
maybe.
so Rumpelstiltskin and Little Red Riding Hood were married, and they lived happily ever after. And that's the story of Little Red Riding Hood.
Fantastic, Sam. Just absolutely fantastic.
That's super.
But let me tell you something, Sam.
Yes?
You know what I think? I think you're just a little bit confused about the stories.
I think you're right. I made a mistake.
Hey, did you hear that?
Yeah.
That's the first time on Sesame Street that Sam has ever admitted that he made a mistake. How about that?
I made a mistake, all right. I left out the whole part about the 7 dwarfs sliding down the beanstalk. I better go see Louise. I must have a wire crossed or something.
Okay, Sam. We'll see you later, Sam. Thanks a lot for the story.
Right.
How many stories was that, by the way?
About 4.
Okay, you ready to play a game?
Yeah.
Yeah? Should I turn these around so we can
Yeah.
play our game? Okay. What's your favorite number?
6.
6? You know what mine is? What's your favorite number, Daphne?
8.
8? Isn't that a coincidence? You know why? Now, wait a minute. What number is this here?
8.
That's an 8, right.
This is my.
Okay, now, there's a picture here, and there's an 8 hidden somewhere in this picture. Think you can find it?
I know it.
Oh, look at that. Let's see. Now, put it. There it is. You found it. That's an 8.
I'm going to do
And
it now.
you want to do it too? Okay. Right. Now number 8. Good.
Cause I 8.
You 8? Oh.
I really am.
Okay, this is a different kind of 8, isn't it?
Yep. I'm gonna do it first, cause I got her first.
Okay. Can you find it in that one? Very good. Right in that stoplight over the road. Looks like
1,
an...
2, 3, 4. 4.
And that's an 8, right?
Yeah.
Good. Hey, you're too good at this. You ready for one more?
Uh-huh.
So you can get this one? Okay.
Oh, that one is
Look
big.
carefully. This is kind of a hard one. Wait.
No, me.
Did you find it? Both of you find it? Okay, Daphne, where is it? Right. That's
Now I wanna do it.
that's a number 8. Right there, right in that
Now
roof.
I do it.
Okay, Sean's turn. Very good. Now put it next to the side.
2 8s.
2 8s. Hey, you're terrific 8 finders. Good.
Susan!
Oh,
Susan!
I'm right here, Big
Hi,
Bird.
Susan. I came to help you.
You did?
Yes, I know you were puttering around the kitchen. I thought maybe I could be a help to you.
Hey, you know what? I was getting ready to fill the salt shaker. You want to do that for me?
Oh, anything you want me to do, I will happily help. Okay. So,
You can do this. I have to run out for a minute. And you fill the salt shaker, okay? Here's the salt.
Sure.
There's the shaker right there. I'll be
Okay.
right back.
well, that should be easy. I'm going to help Susan by filling her salt shaker. Let's see. This is where the salt is. And I'll just pour it. Gee, there's awful little holes. This seems to be the only place to put the salt in, though. There's no hole in the bottom or anything. Well, I'll just put some salt in the holes. Gee, not very much is getting in. This is hard. I thought this was going to be an easy job, but it's a little difficult. Maybe I'm pouring too fast. I'll try to pour slowly. That's not getting in either. I better pour a lot. Maybe a lot will get in if I... Oops. That isn't working too good either. Gosh, I'm making kind of a mess. I wish it would... Here, maybe if I can... Maybe if I had a hammer, I could... Wait, I got an idea. What's this thing? What if I could pick up a little piece, drop it in the hole? Ah! I got one in! Oh. Well, that one fell out. It's hard to pick them up with a tongue, but I can't do it.
Bert? You get it all filled up?
Well, if it takes me all day, I'm going to do it for you, because I said I'd help.
I know.
I'm putting them in one at a time.
Big Bird, that's one way to do it.
Yes, that's the only way I could figure.
Well, look, can I show you an easier way, I think? Here's a much easier way. Look at this. See, the lid comes off. You just unscrew the lid like that. And you just take the salt, and you just pour it in the shaker like that. So.
Oh, Susan.
You didn't think
You're
of
so
that,
smart.
Huh?
Well, I just didn't know that the top came off like that.
Oh, I see. I
seemed like it was awfully hard to put the holes in. But look at the big mess I've made.
Well, that's okay. You still want to help me, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
Then look over in the corner and get me the dust mop and the broom and the dustpan. And I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll clean it up together.
Here's the broom.
Okay. Oh, my goodness! Surprise!
Surprise! We're gonna have a milk party. We're gonna have a glass of milk.
And
guess what? Bird seed.
I was just
Everybody can have some bird seed with me.
Bird seed.
Terrific.
I'll just have milk. Thank you very much.
Well, it's okay. I'll just eat it myself.
Okay.
Sesame Street has been brought to you today by the letters F and H, and by the number 8. Sesame Street is a production of the Children's Television Workshop.